everyone. So I just had my Invisalign fitted. It does feel a little bit odd, but it's not uncomfortable or painful. So far so good. I've taken a preventative ibuprofen to help, just in case it does get a bit uncomfortable, because it sometimes does on the first day. So yeah, it just feels a little bit strange at the moment, but I'm very happy with how it all went, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, aligner day one. So yeah, I had them fitted just a couple of hours ago. I want my lunch, so I'm going to take them out and have my lunch, then rinse them, put them back in. This bit takes me quite a while. Shall we see if we can do it together? Are you ready? Okay. There's nothing you can do that can't be done. Nothing you can sing that can't be sung. Got it? I should have timed that. Nothing you can and where do I put it? Oh, Gabby. Right, done one. I'll find somewhere to put it and then I'll do the other one. Of course, I got a gorgeous goodie bag. So I've got my kit in here. Right, sorry, my bathroom's very ugly. Okay, so I've got this cool little box to put them in, a little case. So that's my top ones. Let's take my bottom ones out now. They are not easy to get off, but I'm going to get used to this. I know I am. But at the moment, that's not easy. Right. I've rinsed them. I've put them in their little case. And I'm going to have some lunch, and then I'll rinse them again, put them back in, and be like that until supper. So it will kind of stop me snacking if I find them really hard to take out. So maybe that's a good thing. It's going to stop me snacking. Right, so it's a really awkward camera angle and I haven't worked out. Okay, got my case closed. Case closed. Right, lunch, yay! Okay, just doing some sewing in my sew house and got my aligners in. I have downloaded the My Invisalign app, which is amazing. The people at the Dental Surgery London told me to get it, and that is so true. It makes a lot of sense. It's a free app. You put your barcode, sorry, I am struggling to talk about it. You put your barcode in, or you scan your bag, basically, that you get given, and then it's got all your information, and it means that there's something telling me when to change my aligners, how long I've been wearing them. I stop the clock when I take it out and I put it back on again when I put them back in. So yeah, it's very exciting. No pain or discomfort yet, fingers crossed. Hey, so it's about 11ish. I'm about to go to bed. I'm going to take out my Invisaligns, clean them, clean my teeth, do my flossing and everything, and then put them back in for the night. I haven't had any discomfort, which actually I'm really worried to say, because I feel like I'll wake up tomorrow morning and be like, oh, it's so painful. But so far so good, so that's good. Yeah, see you in the morning. Night, guys. Good morning, everyone. So slept in my Invisaligns, didn't feel anything at all in the night. Waking up all good. So I will take them out, clean my teeth, clean them, and then put them back in for the day. Oh, should I have breakfast for? Maybe breakfast, and then I'll put them back in. All right, see you in a bit. Hey, so while I make some breakfast, to say I'm now about to change to my 4th week of aligners. They've been great. I can already see differences. They're in right now. They've been absolutely great. I definitely play with them. At night I can feel myself like kind of grinding them, so I need to stop doing that. But apart from that, I've been very good. It is trickier on the weekends, definitely, because we've been seeing a lot of people having picnics, stuff like that. There's been one occasion where I forgot my case, so I had to put it in a bread bag so I could eat my aligners in a bread bag. Yeah, so there's been a few little moments like that I was like, oh no, I'm really bad at this, but I'll get used to it. And weekends will calm down after summer. It's just summer weekends are really busy, aren't they? So anyway, yeah, I better get the bagels buttered and everything, and I will show you how quickly I take them out and everything in a minute, and then I'll say goodbye. Nothing you can make that can't be made. No one you can save that can't be saved. Nothing you can do, but you can learn how to be you in time. It's easy. All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need. That's my Invisalign tale so far. So I've gone through 1, 2, 3 and 4 weeks. I'm just about to change to number 5. And I can notice a difference already. I don't know about you, but those are seeming a lot straighter. My snaggletooth, as I like to call it, is straightening out nicely. I think they've been amazing. I mean, yeah, they are a little bit of work. I have to put that in there, that, you know, you have to kind of work at this. So making sure that you kind of stick to the rules. So taking them out to eat and drink and then putting them straight back in again, cleaning your teeth constantly so that you're not putting them in with dirty teeth, and flossing constantly and using the little interdental brushes and things like that is really important. So I feel like my hygiene has gone up like massively, my teeth hygiene, which is great. And also my snacking has gone down massively, which is also really good for me, because to be honest, I can be a bit of a snacker. My family are total snackers and I'm fully with them. But this is kind of like, you know, stopping the odd chocolate biscuit and odd ice cream, because now it's hot and it is so hot today. I am an ice cream addict. I mean, I have about 3 a day when it's hot, if not more. So that's kind of like my minimum rate, 3 a day. So with the Invisalign, 2 a day. So yeah, it's really funny that there's other pros and cons that go with it. And then I would say that the kind of biggest con for me, because I haven't had any pain, I've been so lucky with that, and everyone keeps going, oh, is it painful? And no, it's not. I get a little bit of jaw pain at night, just a little bit, but I think that's because I kind of grind them. But apart from that, I haven't had to take anything or been like, oh, this is painful. I haven't, which is amazing. Touch wood, touch wood. Yeah, my only con is on the weekends when it's busy and you're seeing people and everything. That is quite tricky, because I've basically been really social so far this summer, and you know, it's been really hot, so we've been out for picnics and things, and I've definitely gone to events where I'm like, oh, I didn't bring my case and I want to eat and I want to have, you know, a drink, not an alcohol drink because I'm allergic to alcohol, but a fizzy drink or whatever. And so I have had 2 occasions where I've had to store them in something that probably is not very good. But I'm getting better. I think you kind of like get into the practice of this stuff as well. And, you know, finding portaloos with cold running water is impossible as well. So always bring a water bottle with you everywhere. So, you know, I've got my trusty metal water bottles so I can clean them on the go. And you should see me in the car, because we are always having long car journeys at the moment because we've been seeing properties that are really far away. So I'm just like in the car pouring it out the window so that I can have my sandwich and then, yeah, put them back in. And so yeah, so I think you can do it on the go, and that was a bit of a learning curve for me, but you can. But then weekdays when I'm at home are a lot easier, definitely. But I'm getting used to it, and I'm just really happy with the results. I'm going to see Stuart the orthodontist next week, so I can't wait to see what he says. And yeah, it's just the beginning of a really exciting journey. I feel so much more confident with my smile than I have in years, and I'm just really thankful yet again. Thank you, Portman Dental. Thank you, the dental surgery. You are amazing, and I will keep you posted. See you soon.